Hi guys, today we are making a microwave chocolate brownie. Find recipe details in the description below. In a large bowl, add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Mix all dry ingredients until well combined. To the same bowl, add 3 tablespoons of milk, 2 tablespoons of butter or vegetable oil. I used butter. Stir all ingredients well until a smooth batter forms. Pour the batter into a mug until 1/3 full. Add some chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. Top it off with the remaining batter. Make sure you are covering the chocolate chip or chocolate chunks entirely. Heat in the microwave for 70 seconds and let the mug cool before eating to get the melty chocolate goodness. And enjoy your chocolate brownie.